Hey home chefs, Jenna here from Sip Bite Go, and with the help of my husband, we're going to teach you how to smoke a turkey breast on a pellet grill. So this is a Traeger smoked turkey breast demonstration, but you could use this on any pellet grill that you have. So what we did here is we actually bought one of these really large Costco turkey breasts. It came with both of the breasts, so we cut one off the bone and we smoked the one we cut off the bone, but you could also smoke a bone-in turkey breast following these guidelines. So what we did is we mixed together a poultry blend. It's a rub for smoked turkey, and you can get all the ingredients for that at sipbitego.com. It's basically made with a bunch of ingredients you probably already have in your pantry, or you could just use a store-bought poultry rub. So you want to brush some melted butter all over the turkey after you pat the turkey dry, and then on goes that melted butter, and then on goes the seasonings. You want to coat the turkey breast all over with the seasonings, so use all of it up. All right, and then it's time to get to smoking turkey. You'll find that there are a lot of smoked turkey breast recipes that have different degrees. You're going to set the Traeger grill or pellet grill you're using to 225 degrees Fahrenheit for this cook. And so then once that's all preheated and your turkey is seasoned, you go ahead and you place the turkey breast on the smoker grill grate and cook it for about 40 to 45 minutes per pound until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. The real safe temperature is 165, but at 160 you can take it off the grill and cover it in tin foil and let it rest for about 20 to 30 minutes before slicing into it. You definitely want to let it rest because all the juices will stay in the turkey this way. This one turned out super smoky flavored, and it was juicy and very tender inside. And the next day we had some wonderful, delicious smoked turkey breast leftovers in sandwiches. So look how good that looks. I really think that you're going to love this recipe. This is a great alternative. It's a good way to cook a small amount of turkey on the smoker for crowds of 2 to 3 people. All right, and I have another delicious smoker recipe that you're going to love. Here it is. These smoked chicken wings are so freaking delicious. If you haven't tried cooking wings in the smoker, like a Traeger or pellet grill, you are missing out. All you do is season the wings, you prep the smoker, put them in there. There's 2 different temperatures you need to use to get super crispy skin and a really tender pull apart inside. And I'm sharing all of those details with you on the smoked chicken wings video from Sip Bite Go. For more delicious things to cook, if you're into outdoor cooking or indoor cooking, make sure to subscribe to the Sip Bite Go channel on YouTube. I have so many delicious things heading your way. All right, well, I hope you have all the kitchen confidence you need to go ahead and smoke turkey breast for Thanksgiving or holidays or whenever you have people over. Well, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!